Welcome to ScienceMyHealth, your channel for health and research information. A recent study in JAMA, the Journal of the American Medical Association, looked at how well the CAPTCHA tool works for spotting undiagnosed chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, in primary care settings. The CAPTCHA tool is a clinical decision support tool that analyzes electronic health records, EHRs. COPD is a serious lung condition that makes it hard to breathe and is often linked to smoking or long-term lung irritation. Here's your 1, 2, 3 rundown. 1. Researchers tested the CAPTCHA tool on more than 4,300 adults between ages 45 and 80 who did not already have a COPD diagnosis. The tool includes 5 quick questions about symptoms and exposures, and for some people, a short breathing test. 2. They compared the results of CAPTCHA to a standard lung function test called spirometry. CAPTCHA correctly spotted about 48% of people who really had moderate to severe COPD, and it correctly ruled out nearly 89% of people who didn't have it. This means CAPTCHA was good at identifying people without COPD, but it missed more than half of those who did have the disease. 3. The study showed that while CAPTCHA may help find some people with undiagnosed COPD, it isn't accurate enough to be used on its own. Many people who actually had COPD wouldn't be diagnosed if doctors relied only on this tool. And that's your 1, 2, 3 rundown. The takeaway? AI is being used to assist doctors in promising ways. If you have symptoms like chronic cough, shortness of breath, or feeling tired with little activity, talk to your doctor who can use full breathing tests to diagnose you. In the future, people who don't already have a COPD diagnosis may have their doctor assisted by decision support tools to make early identification possible. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Science My Health for more easy-to-understand health news.